Okay, so today we're making brown butter couscous with preserved lemon. We're going to start with 3 cups of vegetable stock, 2 pieces of preserved lemon, 1 tablespoon of whole butter, 2 cups of couscous. Let's grab our pot of vegetable stock and get it heating up. While the stock's heating up, we want to cut up our preserved lemon. Turn the heat off and put it right in to infuse and steep and flavor your vegetable stock. Give it a nice stir. It's important to taste things as you go, in the beginning, the middle, and end, so you can see how the flavor develops and how the salt starts to come out of the lemon. Very, very important to taste each stage of your cooking. We're just gonna let that sit and steep, and we're gonna get the couscous started. Add our butter. Now butter burns really quickly, so you have to keep a close eye on it. It will go from brown, super nutty delicious, to burnt, bitter, no good. It's just starting to get golden right now. I see a little bit of the browning happening, and we're gonna add that couscous in. Now give it a nice stir. I want to make sure that all of the pearls of couscous are coated with that brown butter. So you want to move really quickly here and get everything coated and tossed nicely. And we're going to add the stock. Ooh. Get all those pieces of preserved lemon out. Stir it up. We're gonna give it a taste. Bring it up to a boil. Then turn it off the heat and let it steep for 10 minutes. I'm gonna add a little bit of salt. Heat's off, lid goes on. Let's have a look, it's been 10 minutes. Whoa. It's looking good. I can tell that it's cooked because it is not hard and it is smushing in my hands. It's very important that you use a fork or a whisk to fluff it. A spoon does not do the job. It does not do it justice. Once the couscous is done, you can eat it plain just like this. I love to put butter on it, spice it up, and throw herbs, and it's good to go. Done, easy, delicious, simple meal. But what's even better is eating it with something stewy, like my pumpkin chili. If you enjoyed cooking with me today, give this video a like and subscribe for more cooking content.